Don't worry, I won't string you along for too long with this project.
Hit it! That's what I'm talking about. Wait!
Okay, now, from the beginning.
Hello and welcome to another episode of Wolf Ridge Woodworking. I am so happy that you're able to join me today. It is a wonderful, beautiful blue sky, sunny day here in Phoenix. Sorry if you're having cold weather where you are, but it is beautiful here. So today's project is a piece that a friend's requested. It's a little bit different. I didn't even know something like this existed until several months ago when I saw Doug Moore, and I'll have a channel link to his channel over here, make one over at Pole Barn Productions. So it's a yarn bowl. So we've got a piece of cedar of Lebanon, first time turning that, so that'll be interesting, and it's wet. And so what we've got is an 8-inch piece by 3 inches tall. So this is going to be a two-part video where I'm going to do a rough turning, get the bowl shaped there, and then leave it probably maybe a little less than an inch thick all the way around, put it in some shavings and leave it for a little while, and then I'll start weighing it till it loses no more weight, and then it's ready to turn. Not exactly sure how long that will take. But anyway, so I'm going to get this, a worm screw put in here, put it on the lathe, and we're going to get to turning this. All right, so I've got it shaped. I've got the mortise in it. Had somebody stop over, so I was talking to him. But in that short amount of time, it's cracked pretty significantly here. So I'm gonna, try to get this thing flipped around, get it hollowed out, leave it thick, put it in the shavings, and eventually I may have to fill these in with some CAA glue. But anyway, so let's get this thing turned around. All right, so that's pretty much an inch thick, maybe a little under, maybe a little thicker on the bottom, but I think I'm gonna leave it at that. I'm gonna get it in all of these great shavings. And so let me reposition the camera and let's get that started. All right, so I got it off the lathe, and what I wanna do is I wanna weigh it so that I can measure it as I go. So it is 30.93 ounces. So I'm just going to write here on the back, 30.93, and today's date is the 2nd, so 2/2. So now we got our bag. So I'm just going to put some of the shavings down at the bottom. So I'm putting it in like this. I don't know if it really matters. And I'm just gonna shove some down in the bowl itself. And then some back behind it just to kind of insulate it. And then just cover it up. Okay, and I'm just going to wrap this up, and then I'm going to bring it into the house where it's a little bit more controlled, rather than humidity, rather than out in the garage. And then I'm going to leave it for a week, and I'll get it out and check the weight. So anyway, so let me do that, and then I'll be right back, and I'll reposition the camera, and we'll talk about it. Hello, and we are almost a week into the future. I realized that I got video but no audio. So this is, like almost a week later. The way the bowl is lost a little bit of weight, and it's now 29.49 ounces down from 30.93. So it has lost a lot of weight. It has picked up a crack right here, pretty significant one, goes all the way through, but that's okay. We're going to be able to put the design where the yarn goes through, probably in that crack. The others are just still surface cracks, I believe, and I think it'll be okay. So that is going to wrap it up for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you want to see other projects, I encourage you to click right here so you can see those. If you want to become a subscriber, see how this bowl finishes out, click up here to become a subscriber. Click that bell so that you're notified when I upload a new video. And as always, I wish you and your family a blessed day. Thank you.